Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding widgets to your WordPress website. In this tutorial, you will learn how to sign in, access the site editor, and work with widgets. Let us begin with the process by first navigating to the official WordPress website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address to reach WordPress. Once the website loads, you will notice a variety of options and links. When you are on the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner. There you will find a login option. Click this link to proceed to the sign in area. The login process is straightforward and it sets the stage for managing your website effectively. By clicking on the login button, you transition from a general browsing experience to accessing the administrative functions that allow you to make changes to your site. Once you have clicked the login option, you will be presented with several ways to sign in. In this case, choose the option that says Continue with Google. This method leverages the convenience of your existing Google account, so you do not have to remember another set of credentials. When you click on Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Simply select the account that you wish to use to log into WordPress. This authentication step is secure and allows you to connect quickly without additional hassle. After successfully signing in using your Google account, your next focus will be on accessing the site editing tools. Look for a section on your dashboard labeled Quick Links. Within this section, there is an option to edit your site. Click on the link labeled Edit Site. This action transports you from the general WordPress environment directly into the site editor, where you can make design and content modifications. The site editor is the hub for all your customization needs, so it is important to familiarize yourself with its interface. Now that you have entered the site editor, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you will see a plus icon. The plus icon is your gateway to adding new elements and features to your website. By clicking on this icon, you can open a panel that contains various options, including widgets. This is the moment where you begin to add functionality and visual appeal to your site. Once you have clicked the plus icon, take a moment to scroll down the interface. Continue scrolling until you locate the section specifically designated for widgets. The widget section is where you can add different components to your site, such as calendars, recent posts, social media feeds, and more. This part of the editor is designed to provide you with a variety of elements that can enhance both the look and the functionality of your website. Familiarize yourself with the available widget options, and feel free to experiment with adding them to your layout. By following these steps, you have now accessed all the necessary areas of WordPress required for adding and managing widgets. This tutorial has covered the journey from logging into your account to navigating the site editor and finally locating the widget section. Enjoy the process of customizing your website to suit your needs and preferences.